It's on! It's finally on! I think what we're gonna have to do is go ahead and get this thing on along with the other centerpiece so we can get some bolts in place and have it out of the way. Parts, assemble.
This is the last time this thing's ever going on.
Let's not jinx ourselves. Hopefully this is the last time they go on. Before you tighten them down, I need you to make sure they're in. Okay, hold on a second for me. We're going to put a little Loctite.
A Loctite?
Yeah, I'm throwing it. A little Loctite on it. And then we'll put it down. I've got a tool to make that easier for you if you want.
That one, it went through, but just wouldn't go through last
Look,
of it.
you can use these to light them up. Oh. We're trying to get this rock slider air tank installed on the passenger side. And Mason is running our red parts. See our galore red parts. Most of them turned out pretty dang good, except for my door panels. Those ran like, yeah. They ran so bad, I think they ran away from me. And you should grab that, pull it as we go down. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna line up to get it in that hole. So go ahead and start lining up. You should rotate against it. Somebody hit something.
Yeah.
It's on.